Hello everyone! Today I've got a quick but super useful Notion tip for anyone who wants their dashboard to look just a little more aesthetic. If you've been using Notion for a while, you'll know that the default dividers look like this. Just a plain gray line. Nothing wrong with it, but there's no way to change the color, thickness, or length. But there's a simple little trick that lets you customize your dividers. You can change the color, make them thicker, shorter, longer, and yes, it works beautifully for those clean horizontal lines across your page. Let me show you how it works. All you need to do is paste this line of code into an empty text block, and it will turn into a custom horizontal line. If it doesn't show up properly, just delete the last dollar symbol and retype it, as Notion can be a little finicky sometimes. Now let's go through how to create these customized dividers. First up, color. By default, you can use Notion's built-in colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and purple. Just replace the word red with any of those. But if you want more options, like a pastel blue or a vibrant neon, head over to a site like htmlcolorcodes.com. Pick the exact shade you want, copy the hex code, and pop it right into your Notion code like this. Next up, length. Under here, I have already created two short dividers of 50 pixels and 100 pixels in length. You can adjust how long your divider is by simply changing this number. So instead of 100 pixels, if you want something longer, you can change it to a bigger number, like 500 pixels. Or even 1000 pixels for a divider that is long enough to cut across the full width of the page. And lastly, thickness. This is the third number, the one in the curly brackets at the end. Under here, you can see how the 3 pixels and 8 pixels dividers look like in terms of thickness. If you want it even thicker, you change it to any number like 8 pixels, 10 pixels. You can also go thinner with 1 pixel. Just tweak it until it looks right to you. So now you can create dividers that actually match the vibe of your dashboard. Soft colors, bold lines, whatever fits your desired look and feel. By the way, if you haven't seen my tutorial on hacking vertical dividers in Notion, I'll leave a link up at the top. That video shows you how to split your pages into clean columns with visible dividers. And if you want to skip the setup, I'm also sharing my to-do dashboard template for free, the same one I used in this video. Link is in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Notion tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.